Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about home, family, and living this life that God has so graciously blessed us with. Our channel is full of content that I hope encourages you, inspires you, and most of all helps you on your journey. Be sure to hit like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you will get notified every time new content is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every video. Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. And I know what you're thinking. You saw the title of the video. We just got over Christmas. She's already talking about Christmas for next year. You darn tootin' I am, and let me tell you why. This is going to tie in with my previous video that I made back in the fall. No stress holidays. I'm going to tie these two together because in that video I started kind of in the middle fall and giving y'all some tips and tricks on how to prepare for Christmas. Okay, I might have been cutting it close because some of them you might not have had time to do, you know, right before the Christmas season hit. So I'm going to be sure I'm going to give you enough time to get ready for the next year's Christmas. We're going to start right now. Okay? This is going to tie into what I was talking about in that video. Starting in January. Preparing for the Christmas for the next year. Okay? So here we are in January. Happy New Year, by the way. Hope everybody had a safe and fun Happy New Year. And, yeah, we're going to get started. In that video, I gave you some tips about how to start in January, already prepping for next year. Now's a good time. Finances hurts people the closer you get to Christmas. October, November, and December. Finances, you start getting strapped for finances the closer to Christmas that you get. This is the reason why I'm trying to tell you to start early and start as early as now, okay? To where that way you will have a no stress holidays by the time they get here. Okay, I know people, y'all, I knew it was going to happen. People were scrounging around 2 and 3 days before Christmas, trying to get those meals together, trying to go get those last or start their Christmas shopping. Y'all, come on, don't do that, guys. Come on, don't do it. Just don't. Okay, if you want to stay out of the doghouse, just don't. Okay, start early. Okay, just don't. Now, in January, now's a good time to start budgeting. Make a Christmas budget. And every paycheck, I don't care if it's $20. I don't care if it's up to $100. Whatever your finances can allow. Go ahead and start putting that money back in a Christmas fund. And I promise you, by the time, and don't touch it. Don't touch it. I don't care if you have to go to the bank and put it in a savings account to where you can't touch it. Okay? I don't care if you have to trust one of the spouses. You hand them the money. They put it somewhere where you can't get it. If you're like, I just need $10 to go get me something. Okay? Trust somebody to hold that money for you until Christmas time. Get you an envelope. Start putting some money in it. Start putting it up somewhere. Faithfully, do not touch it. Okay? Save up that money, and I promise you, by the time Christmas rolls around in 2023, you'll have your finances to go buy Christmas presents. Okay? Tip number 2. You know your family. You know your relatives. You know ahead of time some things that they like. Y'all, these things go on sale throughout the year. Don't let them Black Friday specials and those Cyber Monday specials fool you. Just don't. Okay? Just don't. Because they run sales throughout the year on products that you know that your family likes. Oh, Sally would love to have that pair of shoes. Little Joe would love to have that Nintendo something other, okay? Whatever. All right? You know your family. You know your friends. You know what they like. Start catching them sales throughout the year. Half price sales, y'all. When things go on clearance and then they run another 30% off on top of that. Y'all, sometimes you can get things cheaper throughout the year than you can when they run Good Friday sales and Cyber Monday sales. Keep track with it starting now, okay? If you're an Amazon shopper, put things in your cart. When they go on sale, have it to notify you when that item goes on sale. If you've started your budget, you've got the money. Go buy that gift. I'm not kidding, y'all. There's ways to save money throughout the year for Christmas already, okay? Okay? Go get that gift. Put it up somewhere. Put it in a closet. Remember where you put it, though, okay? Don't forget where you put it. Now, the sun's coming in and out of the clouds, okay? I'm loving it today. Know where you put it, okay? Now, if you want to wrap it, you can, but you better make a list of what that gift is, who it goes to, and what it is, so you don't forget, okay? What did I get her? Okay? There's you some ideas. Hide them somewhere, okay? You get an early start on gift buying, y'all. Finances is the number one stressor when it comes to the holiday season. You want to be able to enjoy your holidays and not be stressed. That was the purpose of that video, but I might have got it up a little too late for you to get a head start. So here we are. Now, number 3, starting in September and October, start your making your holiday meals. Start in early October. Start making because that's when pumpkins and sweet potatoes and stuff like that you know that you're going to be using for Thanksgiving holidays and Christmas dinners, Christmas holidays, okay? Start going ahead baking those side dishes, baking those pies and those cakes. Y'all, a lot of these meals can be froze. I do it all the time. That was one of my tips in my other video. I do this all the time, y'all. Go ahead, bake those meals, okay? Put them in the freezer for Thanksgiving holidays, for grandma's house, for your house, for your in-laws' house. Those breakfasts, Christmas morning breakfasts, okay? I have all kinds of videos on make-ahead breakfasts that can be done. Pop you something in the crock pot for breakfast, okay? The night before, let it cook all night on low. You wake up Christmas morning after all the chaos and the gift giving and the opening of the gifts, cleaning up the paper, you got breakfast ready. Okay, let's see. When you make them, cover them up with aluminum foil. Write what's on them, okay? Write the baking instructions on them. Sorry, there's 2 ways you can do it. You can prep them, put them in the freezer, bake them later right before the meal, okay? Or you can go ahead and bake them, put them in the freezer, take them out before the meal, let them completely thaw out, put them in the oven to just heat up, okay? You'll have to time it as to when you need to take them out, let them thaw, okay? Let's say your dinner is that evening. Maybe the night before, set them out and let them thaw out all night long. Maybe the next morning, just put them in the oven on warm. You don't want them to continue to cook or you'll dry them out. Just put them on warm. Let them stay in the oven till your dinner, okay, till you're ready to go. Put them babies in casserole dishes and arrive at the party with your hot side dishes or your hot meal, okay? Let's see. I'm not just going to talk about Christmas here either. I'm going to talk about wintertime, okay? Here is the next part of this video, finishing up, preparing, stuff like that. Let's talk about these freezing temperatures, okay? We just went through an Arctic freeze, y'all. Some people just had to learn the hard way. about winterizing everything. I should have done this because we had people with frozen pipes. We had people with busted pipes, had to go without water, okay? Had some people lost power, okay? Our cooperative in our state demanded, basically, rolling blackouts from all of the local power companies to conserve on energy. And we were just lucky enough that they did areas at 30-minute intervals, okay? But they didn't let us know till after a couple of times later that they were going to do it. Like, our power just cut off one day. And we're like, what the heck? Okay? Our son was on vacation, Christmas vacation. And they were out doing some Christmas shopping. And they call him, we need you to come in. We got to brief everybody of what's going on, what we got to do now. Are you kidding me? Yes, rolling blackouts, okay? So, we're going to talk about some winter prep right now before we have the next freezing temperatures, ice storm. Bring it, okay? You need to know what to do. I don't know everything to do, but you can research it, okay? If your kids, they need to be taught. These young people that just bought homes and stuff back there in the summer, y'all, somebody needed to teach them what all to do, okay? Frozen pipes, busted pipes, whatever. Older homes that's got copper pipes. Y'all, in between these winter storms, don't get caught off guard again before this next storm. You start winterizing now. Insulate your pipes as much as you can. Wrap them, okay? I know, and this is what gets me. The water companies is telling us, telling us what to do. Drip water. Let some water drip in your faucet so they don't freeze up. You don't have busted water pipes. Then, a few days later, after we're, keeping our pipes from freezing, they tell us, oh, we need to start conserving water. Cut your water off. Girl, please, make up your mind what you want us to do and what you don't want us to do. Okay? Learn how to winterize your home, okay? Conserve on some costs like checking for leaks around your windows and your doors. Some more caulking, some more insulation, rubber seals around the doors, kick plates at the bottom. Check for any airflow going in or out. Heat going out, air coming in around your doors and windows. Check, let the sunlight in when it is shining, y'all. Wrap your pipes. Vehicle maintenance, vehicle winterization, okay? Get into that, okay? Y'all, do this now before the next storm comes, before the next winter temperatures come. Please learn how to winterize your home and winterize your vehicle. Get some tips and tricks, okay? Get ready for next year by starting in the fall. Winterizing your home. Getting prepared for cold weather. Clean out the gutters from the fall weather. Fall maintenance, y'all, on your homes to get ready for winter. Clean the gutters out. Clean the flue of your fireplace if you have one. Clean your fireplace out. Winterize, winterize, winterize. Fall maintenance, get ready for winter. Some people had to learn that the hard way because they didn't do this in the fall. And they thought prepping for winter was all about going and getting the bread and the milk. No, it's not. Prepping your home and your pipes and your vehicles, getting ready for the winter storm is part of prepping, okay? So let's start this now in the next few weeks before the next storm catches us, okay? Go get what you need to get while the plumbing industry and supply places is not so crowded right now. That's the worst time, y'all, and that's when they're going to be the busiest, is when people get busted water pipes, okay? Don't be caught off guard for the next storm. Let's start right now, okay? So you got 2-for-1 video today. You got Christmas prep, holiday prep for next year. You got, and y'all, some of these don't have to necessarily, some of this can work for Easter prep, making some of your side dishes and your meals before Easter, Mother's Day get-togethers, July 4th celebrations, birthdays, okay? There you go. October, of course, we have Halloweeny, harvests, then, see, prep ahead. It doesn't just have to be for Christmas, y'all, but for Christmas, go ahead and start you a budget now. Go ahead and start getting those gifts when they're on sale throughout the year. They run good sales throughout the year, y'all. Now's a good time while everything's going to be marked down right now. Get you some Christmas decorations from next year. Get you some Christmas wrapping paper for next year. There you go, y'all. It's going to be on clearance right now. Get ahead for next year. So there's you some tips to get ready for holidays. No stress holidays. Get ready for Christmas next year. Go back and watch my previous video, no stress holidays. And get ready for this next winter storm, y'all, that may be coming. It may be in January. It may be in February. We've had them as late as April before. Okay? Y'all get ready for the next one. Winterize your home. Winterize your vehicle. Start researching. Get what you need. Get that work done. Don't be caught off guard again, okay? There was people that was without water for weeks. A week. I know. I had some relatives that were without water for a week. Okay? Because of their local water company. There was some busted pipes in the city, okay? Yeah, that happened, okay? Winterize. Start now before this next storm, okay? Just trying to look out for y'all and help y'all out, okay? Y'all stay tuned. I have got so many more videos coming. I'm not going to do a spoiler alert. Nope. I'm just going to let y'all see what's coming up. Some videos have already been made. I've just been holding them because I'm saving them up to do a series. So my videos in my playlist don't get all jumbled up, okay? I like to keep things nice, neat, and organized, okay? Even with my videos, okay? So good things coming this year's videos. Husband is still working on some deer things. That's coming. My hunting season is coming up. That's enough. I done told you 2 spoiler alerts. You ain't getting no more. So just stay tuned to what's coming up, okay? We'll see y'all in the next video.